Have you ever considered how much time employees waste just walking around? It's not unusual in a warehouse or manufacturing facility for some to spend half of their shift walking. Manual material handling can lead to fatigue or injury when a worker performs repetitive tasks. But there is an easy solution. Introducing Omron Mobile Robots, the world's smartest and most productive autonomous intelligent vehicles. No facility modifications are required, including laser beacons, floor magnets, or tapes. The navigation is based entirely on the natural features of the facility, and the robot can be set up within an hour. Omron Mobile Robots increase throughput, reduce machine dwell time, eliminate errors, improve material traceability, and allow employees to focus on tasks that require more complex human skills. They can even reduce configuration costs because the mobile robots can adjust instantly to new workflows. They're designed to work safely around people. Unlike other robots that can only follow a fixed path or aren't centrally coordinated, Omron Mobile Robots can detect obstacles without having to wait for a specific path to clear. They also work collaboratively in a fleet. A central fleet manager provides traffic control for vehicle routing and optimizes plant operations. Omron Mobile Robots are the most advanced autonomous intelligent vehicles. Their flexible design enables endless configurations. It's a safe, intelligent, and field-proven solution that's delivered new levels of productivity and efficiency in the most demanding 24/7 operations.